Are you all, is it feel alright or is it really hot?
Save it until next.
Right now, Tommy's putting the pain aside.
Let's see, this guy, you're calm as shit, man.
He does not look even
He's eating
scared.
the seeds, so.
The seeds are brutal.
I think he's savoring the seeds. I'll be his inner monologue. This shit ain't shit, man. I eat fire for breakfast.
Kill Tommy. Kill Tommy.
Oh, he's got the eye sweats coming on. H, what do you got left, bro? Look at that. All right, here we go. We're getting down to the wire in this ghost pepper eating contest.
I didn't know it was a contest, I just wanted to taste it.
Well, it's a contest now because I got it on video.
You gotta beat him. You got one bite to go. He's got a bite. You got a bite. Who's gonna eat it first?
I'll see you later, Brian.
Come on, just eat it all.
Oh, another bite down.
Oh my god.
Oh, Tommy.
Hey, you know what? I'll give you a knife. Just cut your stomach open and stick it in because it's probably going to feel the same.
That's not fair.
Are you alright?
He's not even talking.
We got H over here watering his eyeballs out.
I'll smuggle it away from you if you want to.
Don't get pulled over on the way home. You been drinking? No, I'm just eating fucking fire.
Holy shit. Those are hot.
You should play poker. You have no fucking.
Are you hallucinating right now? I should have never touched my eyes.
Hey, stick it. Hey, you know what? You've already touched your eyes. Just stick your hand in your pants now. Get it over with.
Don't touch your eyes. Good Tommy. Wash your hands.
No, it's sitting there. Let's look at this. That's the culprit right there.
My nose is running in my eyes.
No.
Hey, someone check out of him in 5 minutes.
I think you might win by default because I'm pretty sure he died.
He's flushing it right in his face, just scooping it in.
Pretty hot.
I only got one more, Eric. You want to eat it?
Rocky, take it.
I'm taking it. I want this. My last one, I gotta have
Oh, Ian. Okay.
In other words, he made a deal with the devil to get him.
Pretty much, yeah.
I've never seen a red one in my life. They're always light green. Never seen a red one.
I've never seen one in person. I just seen like the byproducts of them. Oh, here he comes! Woo! Look at that!
With this hand.
I think you lost some fucking like facial hair or stuff.
I lost a coating of skin on my face.
You look good. It's like what's that thing the ladies do?
He's still eating it. He has not even stopped.
Well, you know what? He's still eating it, but H kind of manned up and like brutalized that thing. Look at it. What do you got left there? Look
All
at
the
that.
seeds out of
He
it.
put it in his eye.
Yeah, I mean that's the measure of a man to put it in your eye.
He scraped all the seeds out of it. I mean, seeds and all.
What do you do with the seeds?
He scraped them all. Seeds, I just... Prove you're not a quitter.
You're gonna have to snort them up. Let's do this. There they are. Look at that. They're sitting there. They're still good. It's 5-minute
That'll
rule.
kill you right there.
15-minute rule.
Hey, Tommy, when you're sleeping, I got one day your legs down. I take it off.
He's just sleeping, just sticking it in his mouth.
Hold on, I'll tell you what. He deserves that.
Bring away the milkshake, you got it.
I'm waiting for Tommy to like
we
fall
go.
off the chair right now. Do you feel like he's about to go down?
No, I don't. Actually, I told him.
That bad. He was like, it's making my eyes water and my nose.
Oh, you're about to beat him.
I honestly think he should play poker professionally. You know it hurts, but he doesn't show any of it. He's like, whatever, man.
You got a big piece.
I would not either. It's okay to lose this contest. Nobody's gonna remember that.
We can actually call it a draw. Are you out? You done?
I might save it for my son. I was thinking about it.
When I took an I-8, I was like, I'm dying. You're dying. Your head is like
Hey, you know what's amazing? And everyone's over 40 here, and peer pressure still works on us. That's the amazing part. Hey guys, you're a pussy. Don't eat the ghost pepper. Burn your tongue
I
off.
like the ghost.
All right, he's a piece of shit.
It's not peer pressure. I like that.
Look it up, man.
Stick it in your eye again.
Yeah, man. Hey, what happened to Morgan? That was awesome. Hey, just get over to Morgan, man. Morgan, start this fucking 30. Morgan, Chris.
Yeah.
Chris. Morgan. Here. Chris, here. Here. I just want to get the same redness from your shirt and his face at the same time. H's face is red. You are my hero.
I think you got this one in the bag. You're the winner.
Proud of you. Don't put it ever in your eyes. But good job putting it in your stomach. You should never touch your eyes. Never when you touch your eyes.
You know what? Touch somebody else's eyes.
Soap in your eyes. You put soap in your eyes. You should soap in your eyes. Because it's an oil-based.
That might be the worst advice I've ever heard.
Soap has anti-oil. It's oil. No offense or anything. It's an oil. No offense. I don't care how you're eating it, but when it comes out, you're gonna be fucking whining like my fucking my husky. Yeah.
Yeah, Morgan, I think we need to call this one. H is like a dead man.
When I ate that,
You got one that can't move, and the other one is
This guy, look at this guy.
He's
It's like a statue of
Morgan
pain.
actually, he was like, you know, I got a pepper. He never told me what it was, but I took a bite out. I didn't tell you it was ghost. I know. Yeah, no, you didn't tell me until after I bit it. You were like, that's a ghost pepper. I'm sorry, my bad. That's what you said. And I was like, you just grabbed it and bit it before I could even tell you. You're like, you're a pepper. Yeah. You're looking really good. Really good.
Let's see the damage in there. Let me see. Wait, we got it. Let's stick that tongue out.
Sinus.
Oh, there's
Sinus.
no blood on there.
That was on a
Yeah.
until you wash it. But
He's had it in there like a death grip. Look at this guy.
he's still ready.
He's
Please
ready to
don't.
die.
Please don't do that. Y'all better now.
Yeah, you know what?
Fine.
Put some salt on your tongue. That'll actually take a little of the sting out.
My
Yeah.
tongue's no problem. It's my eyeball.
Well, don't put that in your eyes.
Put it in your eyes.
Yeah, no, no, don't do that. Don't do that. You already put the pepper in there. Don't put the salt.
Just rub some popcorn in your eye. You'll be fine.
Listen, make sure you wash your hands real good before you go home and.
So there's this thing called old wives' tales. We're coming with old asshole friend tales. Yeah. Stick some sand in there and a little asphalt. That'll clear it right up.
I'm telling you right now, don't grab anything. Honestly, just go grab a
You might want to get one of those little like clamps to hold your.
stick your face in a bucket of milk. Don't grab your balls right now. Just don't grab your balls, H. No, it's his eyes that
It is sweat.
Yeah, but don't touch your balls.
I'm pretty sure that it's just the worst idea ever.
He's going back in for more.
I like this velocity. He likes
I
it.
think it takes the paint out of his eyes, puts it in his
Yeah, it
mouth,
is.
and he's good.
Don't hurt your eyes, don't hurt his head. That's what you gotta do.
So you got this
You won't remember your eyes are stinking.
versus this. Not even moving. Not even moving.
He's still
Look
working
at this, look at this, look at this. Whoa, look at this.
fucking seeds in mine.
Let's see those seeds.
You gotta send that to Ian.
I'll put this on
He's the
that.
one that brought this shit.
All right, we're gonna sign off here because H is about to die.
They both look
and
like
I don't
a
want
hot
this on
mess
video.
right
Last bite. There we go. All right, H. Technically, sort of the winner, but I'm pretty sure you lost as well.
It's a little bit less pain because it's not in his eyes, but everything from here down is burning like crazy.